Everyone, welcome back to Lola Emmanuel TV. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make butter in your kitchen in less than 3 minutes when you use your electric hand mixer. But if you use your hand to do this, it's going to take about 10 minutes to make. So let's get started. Alright, let's make homemade butter with just one ingredient. Alright, okay, here is my ingredient to make butter. What I have here is double cream. I'm using fresh double cream. If you want to make butter, you need double cream or any cream that is more thicker than this. You can use it as well, but I'm using double one. Don't use single cream, okay? If you use single cream, you will mix it from now till tomorrow. It's not going to form anything for you, so you need a double cream. The first thing to do is to pour the cream into a mixing bowl. In today's video, I will be using my hand. I'm not going to use electric hand mixer. I have a video of that already. You can check it out. I will put the link in the description. If you want to, please check it out to support your girl. Alright, so I will pour the cream into a bowl. Then I will use my hand to start whisking this. This is going to take me about, to make this butter, this is going to take like about 10 minutes. But when you use electric hand mixer, it's less than 3 minutes, you are done with it. So I will whisk this for about 6 minutes. I'm going to see how it's going to be. Alright guys, 6 minutes later, we have a whipping cream here. This is, you can use this at this stage, you can use this to pipe your cake. Alright, so I will keep stirring this. We keep mixing it, keep mixing it, keep mixing this, keep mixing. Alright, after 8 minutes later, this is what I achieved. You can see this, the color has changed to a cream or a light yellow, something like that. And I will keep mixing this. Alright, at this stage my hand is weak, but I am almost there. I just use my spatula to combine this together to make sure I'm mixing all the butter, all the cream together, so that there won't be cream and there won't be butter in a separate way. So after 10 minutes later, guys, this is butter. You can see the butter are separate from the buttermilk. Now you can see when you are making butter, you're going to have two things from butter. You're going to have butter and buttermilk rather. This is the buttermilk and this is the butter. So what I'm going to do is to separate the butter from the buttermilk. Nothing is going to waste. Buttermilk is good for baking, for cooking. If you are having problem with digestive, you can drink buttermilk instead of normal milk, okay? If you don't want to use it immediately, you can just pour into a container that you can tie it and then keep it in your fridge. It will last up to 14 days. In the freezer, it will last up to 3 months there. You can freeze it. All right, so I will separate my buttermilk from the butter, and here I have the butter in another bowl. All I need to do is to use my hand to squeeze out any excess buttermilk. You must make sure you remove all the buttermilk. You must make sure you remove it. So I will use my hand to squeeze this out. If you want to use cheesecloth, use the cheesecloth to squeeze out the buttermilk from the butter. Alright, once I'm through with this, I will just set the butter aside while I will get a strainer to remove any excess butter from the buttermilk. You don't want to have butter in your buttermilk, so you just want to make sure you remove everything and it is clean. It is just want a plain and clean buttermilk. Okay, here is my buttermilk. I'm just going to use my strainer to remove the butter from the butter milk. You can see that I still have some little butter inside the milk. So this is very important to do this way. Just make sure you remove any excess butter from the milk. Alright, I have my milk. I'm going to pour the milk into my glass cup, and I have 1 glass cup of butter milk here. I'm going to store in the fridge because I'm going to need it. Maybe next week, I don't know, but I know I will need it. And if I don't have anything to do with it, I will just drink it. Alright, the next thing to do is to wash the butter. You must wash your butter to get rid of any excess buttermilk, and you will need the cold water. Thank God it is winter and the water is very, very cold. But if it is during summer, make sure you use ice water. Okay, use ice water. You need the cold water to wash butter. If you use warm water, it's going to melt. Butter and hot water, you can't use hot water to wash butter. Okay, you need cold one to do this. Alright, as you can see, the butter is still intact, nothing, it's not melting, the butter is just okay, nothing different. Alright, you can see the water is kind of white. That is the buttermilk. I will wash this for about 3 times. Alright, so after 3 times, I will squeeze out any excess water from the butter. At this stage, I will be adding a little bit of salt. If you like salted butter, this is the stage to have salt to your butter. But if you don't want anything, you just want unsalted butter, you don't need salt. Okay, or if there's other flavor you like in butter, you can just go ahead at this stage and add it to your butter. Then just use your hand to mix it together. Use your hand to make sure you combine the salt or any other flavor that you want to add to your butter. Use your hand to mix it together to make sure it's well combined. You have made butter. That is butter, so simple to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. If you do, I want you to do a favor for me by sharing this video in your community. Share it anywhere you know you can share in order for people to learn, in order people to know how to make this at the comfort of their kitchen. Alright, here is my butter, and I have a toast bread. I have toast bread ready, and my daughter is waiting to eat this with the bread. Okay, you can see, look at butter just like that, so simple and lovely. All right guys, so let's spread this butter on a toast bread. You can use this to eat bread, you can use it to fry egg, you can use it to cook maybe your jollof rice or your fried rice, but this is not for baking. Okay, I'm not sure you can use it to bake, but if you want to use it to make like chin chin or meat pie, egg roll, you can use it. But if you want to bake a cake, I'm not sure you can use this butter. I'm not sure, that's why I'm saying I'm not sure. Yes, I'm not sure. So that is it. You can see it's very simple. Look at this beautiful rich butter. I just show you guys how to make. Alright guys, if you want to store this, all you need is to line any container that has a lid, line with any flame. Under, you put the butter, you just use a spoon to press it down to make sure you just achieve any shape you want to achieve. There, I just want this square shape. Alright, here's my butter in one of my container. I put it, and I will still remove that flame paper from it. Okay, I will still take it out. Okay, we have come to the end of this video. Here I have the butter I bought in store, and I also have the one that I made in my kitchen. There is no difference between the two of them, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. Subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless you. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.